We're also focusing tonight on the race for the 7th District Court of Appeals between incumbent Democrat Gene Donofrio and Republican defense attorney Mark Hanni.
First News reporter Desiree Gosselin sat down with each candidate. Take a look.
Mark Hanni's father was chairman of the Mahoning County Democratic Party for 16 years. Hanni ran as a judge on the Democratic ticket in 2012 and lost. He says he's running on the Republican ticket because he no longer believes that the Democratic Party reflects his values as a devout Catholic.
The Democratic Party left me. If you can see here, this was a flyer that I gave when I was the Democrat. And I'm quoted as saying that I will not compromise my Catholic views for politics. I believe in the sanctity of life and the sanctity of the family.
Judge Gene Donofrio has served as an appellate judge for the 7th District since 1993. He says if he wins, this will be his last term because he will age out of the position.
I've sat on thousands of appellate decisions. I've written legal opinions in 1/3 of those decisions. And I think I have a solid record there.
A panel of 4 judges makes up the 7th District Court of Appeals, which spans 8 counties. They act in an oversight capacity. If a person loses a case, they can ask the appellate court to review their case for errors or misconduct.
I would do that equally across the board. Doesn't matter what race, creed, or religion you are. I would always apply the law fairly and equally.
If law enforcement and the prosecutor's office doesn't provide evidence that may be exculpatory, they're breaking the law. And in my district, we haven't really seen much of that.
In Youngstown, Desiree Gosselin, WKBN 27 First News.